Here's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Go see everything you wanted to see in a vehicle you want to be seen in. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, smart device navigation, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, streaming audio, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.